One of the most common problems of web scraping is that web scrapers get blocked by the websites. How do we get around this blocking without spending a ton of money on proprietary software or expensive tools? That is what we are going to see here. So first we need to understand how websites identify and block the bots. The modern websites have something called anti-scrapping technologies that uses some identifiers in the requests that come into the websites to find whether it is a bot or a real user. And some of those are like TLS fingerprints, user agents, headers, and they will see if they can execute a simple script like JavaScript. They'll see the request patterns, like if a lot of requests are coming from a single IP within a short span of time. So there is a lot of things that they check to determine if it's a web scraper or a real human. So if you use outdated technologies like maybe a simple request to get the data, you might fail, because a simple request will not have these TLS fingerprints, headers or user agents and those kind of things. I mean, you can use user agents and headers in a simple request, but it's not that great. It's a dead giveaway, and the modern anti-scrapping technologies will catch that. So what we do? That is a problem curl-cffi solves. Curl-cffi is a Python library that we can use. It's actually made on top of a different library that can behave like the requests are coming from a real browser. Without any explanation, let's go right into the code. So here you can see a code where we just import request. We provided a URL which is to Amazon. We send a request and we will be printing the status code, like what is the status code. And when I ran this, the status code I received is 5503, which is service unavailable. So we could not get the data from Amazon with a simple request. So what we did next is we used curl-cffi, and then we sent a request, but with that we asked the curl-cffi to impersonate Chrome 124. So what it did is it impersonated the network style or and network characteristics of Chrome 124, and it sent those identifiers along with the request. And what we got here is a 200 or OK, which means the website or Amazon gave an OK response. So this is what curl-cffi solves. And if you want to learn more about curl-cffi and how it can help you improve your web scraping pipelines, I have put a link down to our blog. So you can just take a look at that blog and you can read through it. And if you have any questions there, comment on the blog and we will respond to you. So if you don't want the hassle of scraping data yourself, you can always get in touch with Datahut, and we can help. And I'm Tony, I'm the founder of Datahut. We are a compliance first web scraping company that specializes in extracting data from complex websites. We will meet again. Thank you.